Hi guys, this is Simon Raju. I'm from Team Code Crushers. My teammates are Sai Charan and Vaishnavi. Today we are working on the hospital management page where you can search about that certain hospital and you can get the reviews according to the patients. So that's all it is. We can take the online appointments by not standing in lines, and it will be very useful. We can find the blogs in it, everything that will be very useful to us. So let's go into it. Let's see the website. First, yeah, I did in project 4. In that, I have filled some modules: CSS, HTML, JavaScript. Here we used the tools like we used the VS Code, Visual Studio Code tool, and in that we use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Where you can see it here. Um, in HTML right now, see. So I will explain the code. Before that, I will show you the output so that we will get that first. Then I will the landing page for this. So here I named it Medleaf, medical leaf, like that. And here home services, about doctors, appointment review, blogs about this hospital. So this is our this is what you see. This is a template we use. This is the core effects, case statement. This is, and we go here. We take the 150 plus doctors and satisfied patients with facility, available hospital, doctors like this, and we can learn about the services, free checkup, 24/7 ambulance, expert doctors, medicines, facility, total care, our doctors, Nishita, Abhishek, Martin, Dick. These are some more doctors. Like to this, we can appoint your name to this. These are fine previews. Blogs with initiative technologies, intensive care during emergency. These are quick links. Maybe whenever you click it, home, it will go to the services about doctors, appointment, review, blogs. You click on the Medleaf icon. So for this, you will work on the code. Okay. As we know, this is the first HTML code for every code. This is a beginning header of this. Uh, I'll explain by parts. We know that HTML has header, body, sections in that, right? See here. First, when we is a basic syntax for HTML. This is a syntax. Wait 1 second. This one is a header for the yes. Okay. Meta and this compatible IH viewpoint content is like whichever device you open the website that would be perfect. The full screen according to the device width and initial scale is 1. So that is that. Then this is the title of the website where you can see it. 1 second, I'll show it. This is the title. This is the title of the website. This one title. Okay. Next, style sheet. Here I will link this to HTML, CSS, HTML to CSS, so that the coloring of the font or background, whatever, and height of the width is considered in it. Then we go to the header section. Here is the header section, and the body we do the header section. This one. This is the header section of the HTML code. This is a class header. So for actually I didn't I just created this logo. I didn't take it from the Google or what image. It's not an image. So this through the href the link and logo class. In class I have divided fast far heartbeat, and this is my title of the hospital. Oh, okay, next I have given a navigation bar. The navigation bar is this one. This one is a navigation bar. This is light neon color is the navigation bar for that. And next, when you go to here, I have linked. Okay, I told you that home services, doctors appointment. These are the links for href means links. We are anchors here. We are giving the anchor here. Uh, home services about doctor's appointment reviews and blogs. So whenever you click this, what do you see this one I have this is the text, simple text. This is an anchor for that to link. Whenever you press this see services, that anchor will link to the service section. It will go to the about section, doctor's appointment, to like this. Okay, and this is the what do you say body in that navigation section. When we do the division, menu button, okay. uh, this is the section, that section. Then we'll go to home section. Home is that image, like you need will show it 1 second. Okay, here home section, right? Home section. This is for this what you say animated. I have took it from the Google, so you can check out there. It is a GIF, so you have placed it there in this in class home, id home, in class image source. This is a link for that. I have saved it here because I have saved that in my same folder that I have saved it. Okay, Medleaf and content. This is for the heading H3. In HTML we have a text like H3, H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. These are the 1, 2, 3 are the sizes different. H1 is used for bigger size. This is H3. Stay safe, stay healthy. And this one next, I wrote a paragraph for that. A good laugh and a long sleep are the best cues in a hospital doctor's book. This one is a contact us button. This is a button for that. And next, we'll go to back here. This is the for the button. I have a class into that button. Contact us span. Span means like to get this what do you say, this this symbol for that. And that's that. Okay, done. That is one header in header section, one section. Next in section, next section we have class icons container. Whereas icons here, this what do you say, this 150 plus these icons, this for this I have done this. Okay. In icons, see, in this section we have done this total till one second, sorry, till here, till here. It's a section. We'll show it clearly. You'll understand it. Okay. This icon section and icons I have used a div for the every division. We have divided a class in it again. See class for this it is an I tag, image tag, um, fast by user MD. It is an what do you say? It is a syntax for this. It's a code for this image, and then I don't as I've told you H1, H2, H3 are the some text codes sizes. They have 150 plus, so I got this one here. Then I took a paragraph syntax doctor center. I close the division. Please do not forget to close the division for every division that you have opened with this. Then class icons like that. I have done this every aspect of that. Okay. Next, class icons for available hospital bed facility. Do the same thing for this everything. Okay. Next, we go to about section. Okay. Yes, in about section, where is it? Here. About section. We just need to tell you for everyone. We need to know what is about the hospital before we take an appointment or go and join in it. See, you can learn more about this about us. We have given this for this coloring. I have used the C. I have I'll show in the CSS code. First, we'll go through one by one. First HTML. Then see under class each one heading about us in that row, because in a row it would be a one second, this image source. For this image I have as I have told you in the first in the home section, same process you should do it. Okay, that's done it for it. And this is the I will show it this is the hover effect. I will show it in the CSS code. Don't worry about that. Okay, this is the about section. Next we'll go to services section. Services are this as we have done in the doc here in home section like this. The same process will be going to be in the services section. Same you need to type that services. H1 heading on services or span services. Box container container you are going to take the in a section you will have a class services. In that you will have a heading in a class, and that in a box container you are taking in it. In a sort in first box in first box we are taking the medical free checkups. In this box the container type of box. So we are take time and help. You can go through it 24/7. In this manner, you are going to get that stuff. Next, we'll go to next section is we'll go next on doctors. Doctors. This is a very important thing for in hospital, for given hospital, because most professional doctors would help us bring more customers along with them. In that, this is the section doctor section, as you have done for everything like before in services section, home section, same as it used to do. Let's say in class anchor we use here, same this for this LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook accounts. For this to represent here like this, we are going to create this Instagram post for everyone so that they can patients can go and research about it, because everyone whenever we say anything they won't believe us. Rather than believing us, we can go through their profile and see this, and that will be a good and best way to believe the persons. Yeah. Next, in that manner, you copy paste and everything you do it. Okay, it's done for the doctor section. Next, appointment section. Here, this is a. I would recommend that this is the best way to consult now, because in waiting in line in hospitals will waste a lot of time and will pain your legs. So we have decided to make an online appointment where you can type your name like this and your number, so that we can contact you, your number, so that we can contact you. One second. Here. We can contact you guys. We can contact you the number, your email address. Sorry, just for example. Okay. Then that you can see this. This is an effect that we given. You can create. You can select. So appoint now. Then you will be appointed, you will be called at that all before half an hour before that. Yeah, like that. Next, the important thing for everyone to for everything in our daily life, if you are buying or something, we'll go for the first priorities to the reviews, customer reviews. So these are customers that have ordered here. See, James, Shanti, and Prakash. Okay, for this review, we given class that ID review, clients review, clients box container box, and art. This one that image link, image source, user names header, and class task means like this. What you say is rating. For this, I'm just used I'm just everything I've created in HTML, not to create more images, link them. So this is a class half the full star, full star, full star. Then it's a half star. Yeah, it's your wish. And it's on the text. First division is first, then the box is completed. Then next is see, you can go through it. See like this. Next, here comes the blog section. Blogs means the way you can know the detailing about that. See, innovation technology, our technologies like everything. We will show you the before we do an operation, in which you could know what happens, what is affected, and everything. You see that over effect, right? That is inside out. We'll show it there. Intensive care. You can know about it, how you care about it, facilities in the system, and these are okay. Then here blog view, I view by source, class icon HF, class and delete for it, innovation ideas, class button, like I have to do an over effect. Chevron right means this, what do you say? This arrow, right arrow. This one. Next. That's completed. Okay, fine. This is the blog section. After you go it. After blog section, we'll come to the footer. Footer means this quick links. What do you say now? Quick links. Yeah, that's it. Footer. This one. This all this. Okay. Here in that box, in a footer, we took in totally in a container box container. See, first the quick links, where you can see home. You'll go to home, about services, appointment, review, blogs. These are quick links. Okay. These are for quick links for different doctors, dental care, massage therapy, cardiology, diagnosis, ambulance services. For that, we quick links href. We use anchors is a very important for linking this for dental care. This is the simple text, and this is the plan for that. What you I've told you that arrow. Hmm. Next is the class appointment info. These are the envelopes. Like you get show for this one, these mobile numbers. This, the use codes for this. The symbols you see that envelope symbol, location symbol, mark like that. Hmm? Understood? And after that, we have this last where you can follow us. Facebook, blank class Facebook symbol, Facebook because target means this is target where you can link where you whenever you click on that page login what is that. See, uh, Facebook, Twitter, these are logos, and you quickly just you can link to it. This we just have we have not linked it everything Twitter like that. For linking here, this is the place. Whichever you if you have a profile, you can take the path and paste it here. Yeah, that's it. And last one is what do you say? This one class credit, where you can credit site like this one, this part created by Medleaf or else is a we have for every website, right? So that was the thing. Okay, this is the another section. This is and we have linked JavaScript, right? So we should script link it here and close the board closing of the every syntax every tag is very important. Okay, okay, let's go to now CSS code. Root. Root means here we are giving the green. These are the colors that we are using in this. So we are defining them. Okay. Font family, Poppins, margin. Okay. Was the heading for the order? What do you say like? War. 1 second. For the borders, everything we are giving that heading. Okay. Next, HTML code. For the total HTML, we are giving this much of scroll behavior, padding, overflow, hidden. In sections for section 2 should be given and property to set the value thickness padding and like that. Okay, where we come to the heading section, text align should be center, padding bottom to the middle, text shadow. Okay, color for that heading span. For the button we are giving background for every button. Background you see that background contact is granted for every button you see it. You will have that learn more see. Here, everywhere you have a padding button, background music, background, background color. Okay. Next, button span. Span. We have even given like for this span, we use an arrow. Inside the arrow, you have a white color. That is the background span color. Then green for that background. This background. Then hover effect for the hover we used hover effect. This is here. Hover span. Whenever you see it, it is getting the arrow is also getting towards it. And okay, this is a simple CSS code. Header, header logo, header logo. See it have a hover span. This have a header logo. Okay, next navigation bar hover and nav bar. Header for that is for home display flex means according to the display according to the mobile that we are using sorry device that we are using that will be flexible for that. If you are using mobile that total website will be flexible according to the display length width and width gap between them padding top and flex according to them image and width 100%. because what do you say, for every device there's a different types of 100% width length. Laptops it will be more than the mobile phones, according to the, and in mobile phones it will be very different also. Icons, container icons, border, these are icons, container, padding bottom, text shadow, or row images. In that, what do you see, dot means class. You're linking that in HTML to this. Okay, about, in that above, what do you say, see, I'll show it. See, in HTML, see, you see here in about, we are linking this about, then again we are linking a header row, then we are linking the image, so that this under about row about image, then this will change these properties, like coloring, etc., length, breadth, whatever, padding of that, background color, flex, wrap. That's why we are linking every content in that. For text which we are, what do you say, line height of the text, then everything will be done here, like services. The same thing has been done for everything. Okay. Then in the doctor section, we just height the border, margin top, margin bottom, font size. Um, CSS is very helpful for the everything. Get an appointment display means you have to reflex. Yeah, yeah. Review box, container, display. Yeah, this is a CSS code for this. Okay. Z index means that x y, that three index x y z, which the index would be, um, which will be displayed for us in a perfect manner, in 3D manner. Box container, we have blocks, another box, another block box. See you see under box container, under box, the content and icon A for every. See, we have overhead for that. So that is a important thing you need to know. Uh, Giving effects and everything, CSS is very useful for us. So that is the code for CSS. That's it. And last we go to JavaScript, and let menu document dot query selector for menu button. Here your menu button, where is it? Here we are linking it here for JSS. uh, then nav bar, navigation bar, we have linked it there. Menu and menu bar, menu times active for scrolling on click. See, if you I'll show it. If you are clicking here, you're clicking here, that is due to you clicking on the navigation bar, clicks, and about doctors. It is due to the JavaScript. Okay, understood, guys? Thank you very much. This is our what do you say, our page. Thank you, guys. Whenever you click here, it will come back here. This will be very useful. Thank you.